Hi all, let's start. Welcome to Azure Databricks Unity Catalog. In this demonstration, we will guide you through the process of establishing a Unity Catalog Metastore and subsequently linking a workspace to this Metastore. Let's begin. For creating the Metastore, click on Data, click on Create Metastore to start creating a new Metastore. Metastore creation steps will slightly vary depending on the cloud you are creating it. Here we are showing the steps for Azure Databricks. The storage account is used as the default location for managed assets like managed tables, managed volume, etc. It is not used for metadata. This location can be overridden at the catalog and schema level with the UC by default. We will be able to create a metastore without specifying a storage account. Now let's switch to Azure portal and collect the required information such as storage account and access connector. So I am on my Azure portal. So this is the Metastore root storage account, and this is the container inside the storage account used for the Metastore root location. Now click on access control IAM to review the storage blob data contributor role that will be used by the Metastore. So this is the role used for the Metastore creation, storage blob data contributor. So click on the role name to get the access connector required for creating the Metastore. So click on properties to get the access connector ID. Here you will see this Azure resource ID. We need to save it in a notepad. Let's go back to the Databricks account console now that we have the access connector and storage account details. Now put the name of the new Metastore. For example, here I am putting Tech Summit 24 Metastore. Then choose the cloud region where you want to create the Metastore. Only workspaces from the same region can be attached to this Metastore. Fill up the Metastore root bucket location. Put the access connector ID that you saved in your notepad. Now you can click create to create the Metastore. The Metastore is now getting created. So the Metastore got created successfully. Now we will assign the workspace to the Metastore. Let us search for our workspace. So click on the checkbox to select the workspace to be attached to the Metastore and finally click assign button. Here is the Metastore admin. Click on workspace to look at all the attached workspaces. Now click on configuration to go back and enable delta sharing. Note that this is an optional activity. This is the workspace which is now assigned to the Metastore. So click on checkbox here to enable the delta sharing. Note that this is an optional activity and click on enable for delta sharing after entering the details like set expiration and organization name. Delta sharing is now enabled for the Metastore. Let us now switch to the Workspace Catalog Explorer and see the newly added catalog and the Metastore details. Now that the workspace has been linked to the Metastore, you can see the new catalog main and system in the Catalog Explorer. Here it shows the Metastore this workspace is attached to. Now click on the wheel to see further Metastore details. The details pertaining to the Metastore are being displayed here, like Metastore ID, region, storage root credential ID, storage root credential name if provided, external data sharing if it is enabled or disabled, external recipient token lifetime, delta sharing organization name. So all the details pertaining to the Metastore are being displayed here. So that's all for this video and thank you.